Hey guys, in this video we're gonna go over how to send money from TymeBank to Capitec. This is gonna be a very easy tutorial. First, of course, you need to open up the TymeBank app, and then what you need to do is log in with your username and password or your fingerprint, and then you go to the pay or send money section from the home screen. And then I want you to go ahead and tap on a transact or the send money option, and then go ahead and click on pay to bank account. Now we need to enter the Capitec bank details, the recipient's information basically. The bank name should be Capitec Bank, account type should be savings or check, and then you just enter the Capitec account number, and you add the recipient a name and a reference, okay? After this, you just need to enter the amount and confirm. Okay, double check all the details, confirm the transaction using your PIN or fingerprint, and you're good to go. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, smash that like button and subscribe to Smart Solutions.